Okay guys, I used my calculator and I did a random integer with 1, 100, and 10. It gave me 10 numbers. I wrote them all down. I looked up all my areas. I added up to 76, so I got an average of 7.6. We'll know this when we get in class together tomorrow, and we'll find the standard deviation tomorrow as well. We'll make the dot plot. The actual average of all the rectangles on the pages, I'm not going to tell you that, not until we get back together. Nice try. Which sample gave us a closer result between our human random sample and this? Well, we don't know that until we know this answer. So we'll fill that in tomorrow. This number 2 we'll also fill in tomorrow. So I'm going to finish these notes off for us today while we're apart from each other this way. The fact that different random samples of the same size from the same population produces different estimates. I think even though we're not all together, you guys can tell that when you did these 10 numbers, we're all going to get slightly different answers. I think you should also understand they'll all be kind of close to the truth. The fact that when you take different samples, you get different estimates, that phrase is called sampling variability. And we have a lot to say about that phrase coming up over the next few chapters. Sampling variability means I can take 10 numbers and I can get an average, but if I do it again, I'm probably going to get a slightly different answer. And as many times as I do it, I'm going to get slightly different answers. I can collect them, and we can study that to see how close sampling actually gets. According to our activity using rectangles, this is something we'll figure out tomorrow when we see it, but here's something that's true. Sampling variability can be reduced. The values actually get closer to the truth, not as spread out, a smaller standard deviation, if you will, by using a larger sample size. So that's a truth that we'll run into. Your homework for today is page 200. I know we didn't finish out our little thing, but you have enough to do it, I think. We're going to go with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. We'll finish in these notes tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Have a good day, everybody.